All right guys, today's video is gonna be on the fourth brake light. I know these cars have a fourth brake light. I'll show you that right now on screen, but technically the US models don't get it from factory for it to actually work. Doesn't make any sense. But thanks to Driven Media, they actually give you a kit where it has everything that you'll ever need for that install, with the drill, all of the taps and the wires and all that fancy stuff. Then you can make it work on your own car. That's enough yapping. I'll just get straight to the video at this point. All right, step one, we gotta take the panels off. So let's get to that.
All right, this is gonna be a pretty basic install for you guys. I'll try and keep all the shots short and sweet, but let's just jump right into it. So the first step is to remove the trim for the fourth brake light slash reverse light, whatever you wanna call them. For this, you just gotta take a flathead screwdriver and pop these 3 pop clips down and out. And after that, the trim should just pull right off. Now to actually get this light off of the car, you gotta take these 2 10mm bolts off. And after that, it just pulls right out. Next, you can take a flathead and pop off these clips, but be sure to go very slow because, yeah, that happens. All right, so now that we got the housing off, all that we gotta do is use the supplied drill bit and drill a hole right in the middle of the circle that you see where the fourth brake light should go. After we got the hole drilled for the light, now we just gotta take the tail light out. Now to put the actual light in, all you gotta do is push in and twist a little bit. Then go around with the flathead and make sure it's all sealed off, nice and flush. Next up, we gotta take off this little trim piece, and then remove these 3 10mm bolts that are holding the headlight onto the car. After that, you should just be able to pull back and it should snap right off. Disconnect the connector, and now we're ready to wire. So to make my life easier, I just snaked a random wire down through the bumper where the headlight used to go, which allowed me to tape the wires from where the fourth brake light are and pull it up straight through the bumper. Once you pull all of the wires up, just connect the harness again. Then you can put the light back on with those 2 10mm bolts. Next up for the wiring. So I'm pretty sure these are called Positaps, but they're super easy to use, super easy to install. And if you're clueless on how to use these, just put the bottom end on whatever wire you're trying to tap on, and then screw the base on after that. Then you can put whatever wire you're adding in through the top, and then screw it so it makes it nice and tight.
That's what she said?
And like you see here, I put the red wire on the taillight with the red wire in the kit. Next up is the black wire with the black wire. And the last wire to do, we gotta connect the pink wire on the taillight with the blue wire on the kit. Once you get all the excess wire tidied up with a zip tie, you can put the taillight back on the car. And remember, it's held on by those 3 10mm bolts, so remember to put those back on. And once you do that, then you can put that black trim piece back on to match the other side on the right. Last but not least, we gotta put the bumper trim back on to make it look nice. It clips right on, but then secured by 3 pop clips on the bottom.
Just like that, now we got a fourth brake light. And there's one last thing we gotta do. We just gotta test it. It's just at that point where it's way too humid. No, not it. These mosquitoes are biting me, so if I had to go through that just for a video, then it is what it is. Let me know down in the comments what else you guys want to see, because I can totally make more content with this thing. If you guys enjoyed this, thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.